Birbal was a minister in the court of which Mughal emperor? Akbar. Which Governor General established Fort William College at Calcutta? Lord Wellesley. The Indian Councils Act 1909 was commonly known as Morley-Minto Reforms. Which Maharaja of the Sikh Empire is popularly known as the Lion of Punjab? Ranjit Singh. Who was the Maharaja of the princely state of Bikaner at the time of India's independence? Sadul Singh. In which year the British Crown took over the administration of India from the East India Company? 1858. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of which empire? Maurya Empire. Which was the capital of the Mauryan Empire? Pataliputra. The Ayudha dynasty ruled over which state? Kanauj. The Sepoy Mutiny broke out on 10 May 1857 at Meerut. Which word did Mahatma Gandhi spell wrong as a child when the school inspector gave dictation to the class? Kettle. The second, third and fourth story of Qutub Minar were constructed by Shamsuddin Iltutmish. Where did the British establish their first factory on the east coast of India? Masulipattnam. Who among the below led the revolt of 1857 in Lucknow? Begum Hasrat Mahal. Who is the author of the book The Economic History of India? Ramesh Chandar Dutt.